violet. Dahil parang linya ko yun.
Ayan, sige. So, bigyan natin ng time mamaya na natin, pag message yung si Bio, register your case muna. So, pag-upayin muna natin si Bio. Race reveal daw.
Race reveal.
Guys, so ngayong liligay na dyan si Jeff. Sige.
Di kayo aabot ng 16. Dahil ako YouTube.
Uy, grabe naman! Uy! Sa kanila ko, ala! Sige pa nga! Talagang may kuka. Ay, sorry.
Ang tamang tart mo, oh.
Ayan. Okay, we can all be seated na para Thank you so much, everyone.
Ay, hindi ako yan. Yung barista na yan.
Sit down na dun. Ay, ala dyan.
Okay.
May picture ni si Ate Ate. Ay! Alam ko ba yan? Kami lang to. Kami lang to. May picture!
Ayan, so, ay, nawalan tayong power. Ayan na. Ayan, so habang inaayos natin ang ating sound system, it's all be settled, everyone. Ayan.
Bigay na.
Retos.
Ayan na, hindi mo birthday pero...
Yes.
Bilis, smile lang. Birthday mo, for us lang. 1, 2, 3.
Advance happy birthday yan.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so we would also want to
Close the doors. And then let's all stand up, guys. Go on.
Let's ipayaman ka muna. Cheryl, mamaya.
Ray.
So, medyo nakakaroon ng sige na. Sige lang ba, Mika?
Liquid na laman ng pangsulat.
Ink.
Tama. Kapag nakasulante ka, kapag nasa English, kapag nakasulante ka, namamaga, parang gano'n, sa buto.
Injury?
Pabalik ka na ng outbox.
Inbox.
Ay, taray.
Ang galing ni Bio, grabe!
Pagkaan mo yung pera. Ibibili.
Ha? Ito din siya, tapos kamukha niya si Maui sa
Kamukha niya si Blue!
Kamukha niya si Blue. Ano? Basta niya. So no, kagrupo ko dyan sa Mission 1. Pwede mag-pass. Maraming galamay? 8?
Ha?
Hayop siya, tapos seafood. Tapos doon pa lang sa iPhone no? Mahaba yung ilong niya. Tapos malaki siya. Hayop.
Elephant.
Meron ako nasa taxi ko. English ng 8. Ano to? Doon ka pong, kabalik na ng exit.
Pencil.
What can smile, tapos kasunod doon, bago mo makuha yung sagot.
Bakit parang
Moving to balita mo all-rounder. Yes. Nilalagyan po ng mga flowers. Ay, naririnig ako. Ayan. Nasa your line, April.
Ha?
It's an anime. Wait. Basically, it's something Yes, piniplay ko sa YouTube.
Hey Vio, it's your Aterals, and I'm very sorry that I couldn't make it to your fan meet. As you know, I'm just a virtual ate, but I just want to let you know that I'm very happy that I got the chance to get to know you more. and the kind of person that you are, yung desire mo to succeed in your chosen career is something that's very, very admirable. And what I like most about you is that you don't stop there. Yung business mo, that's something that we're gonna work on together, and trust the process. Whatever your manager gives you, yung mga plans niya for you, I know that you will nail it because you're such a good person. You work on your craft. I know that you are continually honing your skills. So I really wish that a lot of opportunities will open up for a person like you. Yun lang, cheer up.
Hi Vio, Levi here. Sorry if hindi ako naka-attend sa fan meet mo kasi my grandfather just passed away. Pero yun, congratulations sa fan meet mo. I know na deserve mo lahat ng love and support from your fans. And thank you kasi the first time na nag-meet tayo sa Starbucks with Ate Manel and ng Glenn, ayun, sobrang saya mo kasama, ang light mo lang kausap. Di ko na feel na first time lang tayong nag-meet nun. Pero, ayun, thank you dahil you've become one of the closest dream chaser sa akin. And, ayun, I hope and I wish na malayo pa yung marating mo. Naniniwala ako na with your talent, sobrang maganda yung katatahakin mong journey in the future. So, yun lang. Hope to see you soon. And again, congratulations. Bye-bye.
Hi Vio, I hope you like our surprise party for your first ever meet and greet. I hope na there's more success for you to come, and I want you to know that we're always here, me and especially my BFF na si Jeffrey, special mention siya syempre, to support you in all your endeavors, and good luck on your journey, and we love you.
Hi Kuya V! Sana nag-enjoy ka sa prepare ng Viologist for you. We will wait for you to reach for your dreams. Adya, fighting lang palagi. See you soon sa Baguio, I guess. Tapos, no matter what happens, andito yung fans mo to support you in every aspect of your life. Okay? Adya!
Hi Dream Chaser Bia, kamusta ka na? Ngayong pan-meeting mo, sana masaya ka at makita mo lahat yung mga fans na nandyan, kahit wala ako at yung ibang mga fans na hindi nakapunta. Message ko lang, sana huwag ka mababago, laging stay humble, at alam namin busy ka sa work, sa mga schedule mo, at sana kahit may lagi ka namin lagi mo kami na interact mga fans, at dito na kami sumusuporta sa iyo, at sana always good health and adya fighting in your dreams. Fighting! Bye!
안녕하세요. Hi Vio. I just want you to know that I love you, I support you, I protect you, I cherish you, I treasure you. Really, I promise that. And I'm your